In this example, we're going to combine two equations together and then rearrange to make V the subject. So we have an equation that says F is equal to mv squared over r. That's due to the centripetal force, and also F is equal to gmm over r squared. So this is actually the gravitational force of attraction between two things. So we're going to equate the two things together. So that means we can say that mv squared over r is equal to gmm over r squared. We've got an m on both sides, so we can cancel those. And we've also got 1 over r and 1 over r squared. So imagine if we were to multiply both sides by r, that one would disappear, and this one here would just become r. So we can then say that v squared is equal to gm over r. And to make v the subject, we simply just have to square root both sides. So in this example here, we had a look at these two equations and we equated them together. We simplified them as much as we could, and then we made v the subject. In actual fact, this is an equation that tells us about the velocity of a satellite, or the speed that it's orbiting a larger body at a certain distance away from it. And although you don't need to understand the physics at this time, the actual mechanics of how we combine these equations together and then make something else a subject are the kind of skills that you can develop right at the start of the A-level course. So when you're doing this new content later in year 13, you've got a good understanding of actually how to create these new equations. By the way, this is just one of many videos I've made covering all of the maths that you need to understand for A-level physics. It's part of a mini course which includes many more topic videos, multiple worked examples, and also a guide that you can download. You can find all of this over at alevelphysicsonline.com.